How to view your eBay messages. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In order to view our messages on eBay, we can just go and check them from the application or website. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, we can head over to the eBay website. And once we head over there, we can sign in into our account if we're not signed in. After that, in the top right corner, we should be finding an option called My eBay. We can select that option. And from the menu that pops up, we can select the option called Messages. Head over there and click on it from the drop down, and that should open up the page. And here in this section, we'll be finding all the messages from buyers or sellers, order updates, questions about our listing, official messages from eBay, etc. We have from members, we can just go and view it. We have deleted archive section as well. If we have deleted our messages, we can view it there, and other different kind of messages here. And we even have a search bar here where we can type in the message that we are looking for and find that message. And we can also reply to them. We can head over to the message and find an option called reply, and there we can reply the messages from the message thread, just like email. And that's it, everybody. You may follow this method to look out for your messages on eBay as well. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.